Hey everyone, my name's Patrick. Welcome to this Monterey Bay Aquarium video about climate change and ocean acidification. Two of my favorite topics. Here we go. As you know, the best thing about climate change is that, wait, hold on, whoa, what? Wait, don't scroll. Don't scroll away yet. I know there's a cute sea otter picture right below me and you would much rather look at that. I don't blame you, but this is important. When we're done here, we'll get that cute picture delivered to you automatically, I promise. Okay, thanks for your time. World leaders are gathering in Paris for the 2015 UN Climate Change Conference, also known as COP21. It's happening between November 30th and December 11th, which, well, oh hey, that's between now and the new Star Wars movie, for context. This conference will decide how it is that humanity responds to the threat of climate change. And that's a big deal because climate change is kind of a big deal.
Coffee shop. That was my official.
That was
Hey, I'm climate change and kind of a big deal.
Yeah, we've heard. Anyway, so Daniel Radcliffe was on the show and it was pretty funny.
Really?
Yeah.
Here at the Monterey Bay Aquarium, we're concerned about climate change, and not just because we have our mail delivered here on Earth. It's also because climate change has a huge effect on the global ocean.
Oh, hey, that thing.
The aquarium is right next to a changing sea. The water is already a little bit higher and even a little bit warmer than it was when we first opened 30 years ago. And what we're really sensitive about right now is our chemistry with the ocean.
Yellow.
Hey, how's it going?
No, just enjoying some light reading. What's up?
Listen, people and planetary life support systems change, and
Wait, what?
I just think we should see other people.
You can't be serious.
It's not you, it's me.
I probably had something to do with it.
Actually, it's mostly you.
Hey.
Because when human industry burns fuel to make energy, like when we're driving our cars or when we make and watch web videos, we release carbon pollution into the atmosphere. And because the atmosphere and ocean are constantly mixing, the carbon pollution that's in the air goes into the ocean, and about a third of it does, the ocean becomes more acidic.
An ocean of acid?
Good question. Not quite, but thanks. Yeah. The chemistry of the ocean has been very stable for a long time, and everything that's alive out there right now is used to predictable chemical reactions. Animals with shells, they're used to building blocks surrounding them. They can just piece together, build stuff up, no problem. But if the water becomes more acidic, those building blocks transform into useless junk. Now that's especially a big deal for small animals. Everything that's in the plankton, like larval crabs and shrimp and oysters, sea urchins, coral, and even open ocean snails, those animals might start to look a little bit Wicked Witch of the Westy. And that's of course a huge deal if you enjoy that seafood, or if you're like us at the aquarium and you exhibit a lot of seafood.
Hey, do you have any questions about the lobster exhibit?
Yeah, where's the butter tank?
Clearly, climate change is a big deal. So what do we do about it? Well, you have already watched a web video about climate change to this point, and that's very impressive. You should give yourself a pat on the back. Seriously, good job. Also, follow what's going on at the Climate Change Conference in Paris. There are a few hashtags you can look up, like this one here, or maybe this one here, and you can join the conversation that way. But also, if you're feeling a little bit overwhelmed about yet another issue that's caused by us living our everyday lives, and you're not entirely sure what your individual action can do with this global problem,
Yeah.
don't worry, you're not alone. That's exactly how we feel too. But what gives us hope here at the aquarium is that we've already seen the ocean get better. We're right next to a bay that people wrote off as dead not even 70 years ago. And now it looks better than it did 200 years ago. So we know that the ocean is resilient, and it can get better if we decide to act now and we tell our leaders that ocean conservation is important to us. Because that's what this climate change conference is all about. It's not about rules and regulations, what we can and can't do. It's about the future of the Earth, of our ocean, of our people, of our aquariums, and of our cute sea otter pictures. One of which you have definitely earned at this point. So thank you for watching, scroll away, and don't forget to stay inspired.